Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to start our EMT lecture series, and this is the video number 1. So this video will focus on the introduction, the basic introduction about the series, that why I'm doing that series, what is the significance of doing that, and why you should study it from my channel. And I'll be justifying my series here. Then we'll see what significance that EMT study will have on your future. And I think I should just keep that video only about introduction, and the next video will be actually the lecture video related to EMT. So what I'm thinking is, first of all, I'll make you people familiar with the basic concepts that are the prerequisite to understand EMT stuff. Okay, and that thing includes vector algebra. Okay, you should know about vectors, the basics of vectors. Okay, if you don't know it, you'll find it difficult to solve any of the problems. So there are tons of problems that are coming on our way, EMT stuff. Okay, when we'll get deeper and deeper, there will be more and more complex problems. So we'll be solving all of them, and it will be an interesting journey that will move side by side. It's so interesting and it's so exciting that I'm gonna revisit that subject with all of you people from all over the world. And I'm so excited for your comments, that how you will give your contribution, like how you'll describe a certain topic. And comparative study had been a very advantageous in refining my concepts, because I get exposure to different perspectives. All the books that I studied for comparative study, what you do is to study different books, in which different books or different articles that are written by different authors, because all of the authors will describe the similar thing in a different way. Okay, they always use different techniques to make you understand a certain thing. And if you are introduced to a topic from all directions, some of them will use this is the similar topic, and some of them will approach in from this direction to make you understand this topic. Some of them will use this one, some of this one, and some of other. If you have experienced all of those perspectives, then it truly refines your understanding about the topic, because now you know the topic from all the angles. So that's a very important technique as a student that you should learn. Okay, and I have did that technique, and I was able to solve unseen problems that were really tough, or was able to at least attempt those problems and understand those problems, because I was exposed to different perspectives, and that helped me a lot. So I'll put all of that effort that I did in the way I did. Okay, that helped me a lot in scoring the best possible grades. So yeah, I assure you people that you will not regret, because you can see my other videos on my channel. They are getting so much love and appreciation, and I'm so happy about that. Most of the students have requested me to do the videos related to EMT, electricity and magnetism, because they trust me, my method. They trust me and my method, and they tell me that these are the tough subjects, and they want me to make them understand those subjects, because they find my method of making other people understand easy. So that's why I'm doing it for you people, and I hope you will learn a lot from it. Just as as your well-wisher, I advise you all to focus on EMT, quantum mechanics, to focus on first of all mechanics, which is the basics of any physics things. So that's the first thing that you should learn. So mechanics is a very crucial part of physics, and EMT, quantum mechanics, particle physics, and besides that, you should have a good knowledge of mathematics as well, the basic mathematics to integration and differentiation and all that stuff. You should know and have good grip on these things in order to ace any test that comes to you when you get into the admission test, job test, or whatever comes to you. Even the interviews, you can ace everything if you have good knowledge of these subjects. So I highly recommend you people to work on the concepts of EMT, solve as much as problems as possible, because solving problem helps you clear the concept in a way that's not possible otherwise. Okay, what I usually do was that whatever problem comes to me, I just try to solve it by my own without seeing the solution. Okay, I did my best. I even used to spend weeks on a single problem because I wanted to make sure that I have given my best before actually looking to the solution, to make sure that I have given my best, and I need to learn probably a new method to solve it. And that's how I usually did, and it helped me a lot. Okay, give your time to your studies and they'll pay you back for sure, and you will enjoy it. Okay, so keep it easy and keep doing the hard work. So what I wanted to say is that EMT is very important subject, and do attend these videos. I would love to teach you all, and I would love to respond to your queries. If you have any, you can ask me in comment section or email me simply, and there are multiple ways you can contact me. So I have given many tests for job interviews, for further education, and many things, and I found EMT as one of the crucial part. Okay, so having good knowledge of EMT is very important, and I have mentioned here all of the subjects which are the highlight of any test, and you will see they will be all the tests are based on these subjects. Okay, so focus on these. I'll recommend you people best books for these subjects, but you can find a plenty of good videos about these subjects on my channel as well, so they will help you. And if you can't find any video, you can simply comment me that topic that you are looking for. Either I'll mention the link of that video or I'll make that video for you people. So what I'm planning to structure that series is that first of all we'll have a introduction to some of the prerequisite things that we should know, that is totally mathematical. For example, we'll have a introduction to vectors, then we'll see some of the operators which are differential operators, for example del operator and Laplacian operator, how they are working, Stokes theorem, divergence theorem. They are really important when you are studying Maxwell's equation. So yeah, we'll see these things, and after seeing this thing, we'll have a look on the coordinate systems, Cartesian coordinate systems, spherical, cylindrical. So all prerequisite things, these things are very important. If you don't understand these things, you will not be able to solve any of the problem that's coming in a way. Okay, so they are really, really important. Do understand these things before doing the actual EMT stuff. So yeah, this is all about my series. And yeah, first of all we'll have that prerequisite thing, then we'll slowly start from electricity, and then we'll merge into magnetism. We'll have some derivation videos, concepts videos, problem solving videos, tons of problem solving videos, because I love them and they are really important in understanding the concept as well. So yeah, that's all we have. If you have any queries, you can ask me, and I hope you people will enjoy it. And please recommend my channel to other people so that the channel may get to the people who really wants this kind of videos, and it will be a very good thing for me as well, because I'll get that encouragement and motivation to continue to upload such videos for you people. And okay, goodbye, thank you.